Welcome to the FX Terminal Weekly Market Review. Here's what moved the markets last week and what's ahead. Last week began with central banks firmly in focus. Australia's RBA held the cash rate at 3.6%, keeping a cautious tone and leaving the Australian dollar largely range-bound. Later, BoJ Governor Ueda delivered hawkish remarks, reinforcing tightening expectations and sending the yen higher. In the US, labor data sent mixed signals. ADP employment rose just 4.8K, while JOLTS job openings surprised to the upside at 7.67 million, highlighting uneven labor conditions. Wednesday was the key risk day. The Bank of Canada held rates at 2.25%, while hours later the Federal Reserve cut rates to 3.75%. The move was expected, but Powell's cautious guidance kept markets focused on incoming inflation data rather than aggressive easing. On Thursday, Australia's employment report disappointed sharply, with job losses 21.3K worse than expected, weighing heavily on the AUD despite a steady unemployment rate at 4.3%. The Swiss National Bank held rates at 0%, maintaining its accommodative stance. In the US, jobless claims rose to 236K, above expectations, reinforcing signs of labor market cooling. Friday closed with UK GDP contracting by 0.1%, missing forecasts and pressuring sterling. Meanwhile, precious metals rallied, with gold and silver supported by softer US inflation expectations and safe haven demand. Crypto markets were volatile but stabilized after the early week rally, with Bitcoin holding near key support levels and Ethereum consolidating as risk sentiment steadied following the Fed decision. The upcoming week is packed with inflation data and central bank decisions. Monday starts with Canada's CPI, including headline and core measures, setting the tone for the Canadian dollar. Tuesday is data heavy, with UK labor figures, German and UK flash PMIs, and a major US session featuring ADP employment, retail sales, wage data, and US flash PMIs. Wednesday brings UK CPI inflation and New Zealand GDP, both key for shaping rate expectations. Thursday is the biggest risk day of the week. The Bank of England delivers its rate decision and vote split, the ECB announces its main refinancing rate and holds its press conference, and the US releases CPI inflation and jobless claims. Friday closes the week with the Bank of Japan policy decision and press conference, followed by UK retail sales. Stay tuned with the FX Terminal for clear and verified market coverage. See you in next week's review.